Hey guys, this video is gonna be an introduction of me, and I'm gonna be basically telling you guys who I am in this video, and I'm gonna be telling you guys all the stuff I have been through while I was doing Python coding. So let's get started. Alright, so when I started Python, I was really nervous because I thought coding was really difficult and stuff, but it turned out it wasn't as difficult as I thought it would be. But when you start learning something and you're into it, you start and you have your total focus on it, then you learn it very quickly. And uh, I I couldn't like get any videos from YouTube. I couldn't help and none of the videos from YouTube could help me guideline me to Python because I just don't know. Watched a couple of videos and like they wouldn't like tell me the proper meaning of Python and stuff. Like I kind of asked them in the description, what does this mean? I don't know what this means and stuff. And so there was a couple of things that I didn't know, and I started by my own self, and I started learning from my own self and stuff. And by the time that happened, I learned how to develop and stuff. And now I'm gonna guideline you to the right way. Like I'm not gonna teach you like something else in between. I'm gonna teach you Python the right way, the way I think that it should be taught, the way I thought it should have been taught and stuff. So I'm gonna teach you in the way like that. So and also there's gonna be like 20 parts of Python, 20 or maybe more or maybe less. I don't know. I'm not sure. Yeah, but at the end when you're done learning Python, you can probably make your own game. You will be able to develop your own game. Yes, that is true. I have taken a lot of time on this, guys, and and then like at the end, if you put an input, you also get an output. So I put a lot of input, and then I got output, and now I'm able to make my own games. So make sure you also pay attention to my videos. Make sure you like and you hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode of mine that's coming out. So I'm probably gonna do once a video once a week or twice a week. I'm not sure yet, but and I'll also be like telling you how to do that. And also, if you haven't checked out my last video, which was how to install Python, then please, I'm gonna be leaving a link in the description. Please go ahead and check that out. And also, YouTube is telling me that 48% of you are not subscribed, so please also subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's taking me a very hard. It's really hard for me to make these videos. And also, when we're gonna code and we're gonna I'm my some of my uncles and stuff, they are from different countries and stuff. They're spending literally $150 for each kid, and I'm betting you they're only learning introduction. He told me, my uncle, he said they're only learning like the basics of Python. I'm here teaching you guys for free, and I'm gonna be teaching you how to learn Python like a pro. You will be able to make games, and I will be introducing you to every single program in Python. And also, guys, if you have any cousins or uncles or your aunts or any of them, and they're paying for Python learning, then please tell them about my channel, and I'm teaching the right way, and the right way I think it should be done. And I'm gonna be teaching you for like it's tell them it's not any money, it's for free. And that's all, guys. And also stay tuned on my channel. And this was like a lot for me. I had to go through a lot of stuff, and this is basically all for me. And if you want to learn anything else about me, please ask me for any video. If you're having troubles downloading Python, if you're on a different platform and you want to download on iOS or UNIX or different platforms or something, then I can help you. Please tell me in the comments down below. And also, guys, I am trying to I'm basically trying to do this, make this YouTube channel grow so other people can see my YouTube videos, and they can also learn Python. I want everybody to be able to learn Python. I want my knowledge to grow. And that's all, guys. So I want you guys to have a great day, and keep watching my videos. Have a great day. Bye bye.